Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I post a video. Thank you. Basically, we're going to be doing eye puff styles. As you can see, I was so cute, right? This point, I was looking at the video because I was so scared because of the way it was looking. It was looking so, I don't know, so damaged. And then I realized it was because it was indeed enough really tough for it to not okay, but after communication. So this is the last time. This is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.